Remove existing back bumper. Install new brackets. Grease bolts up. Tighten. Put new bumper on brackets. Bolt them on. Adjust the bumper. Tighten. Mark a cut line on the front bumper. 3/4 inch up from the gap in the bumper. Start cutting. Goodbye old bumper. Tidy edges. Now remove the crash bar. Lube them nuts up. Get frustrated hand loosening them and call in help. Remove these thingies. Install winch cradle. Realize winch doesn't fit. Find the culprit. Cut him up. Pop that bad boy in again. Assemble the front bumper. Don't forget the bull bar. Install and align. Tighten these nuts. Admire your work. Go grab a well-deserved beer.